Hello and welcome. As we know, general OPD and dental clinics have been the most vulnerable places in this era of airborne infections, especially in combination with aerosols. This is a portable ultraviolet surface disinfection light specially designed for clinics. It has some special features as explained in the video further. At a clinic, we would want two major types of disinfections in addition to the regular protocols: surface disinfection and air disinfection. This system can achieve both, and you will not need to buy separate disinfection systems for each type. A typical clinic will have many areas where the ultraviolet radiations won't reach because of shadow formation. Hence, fitting an ultraviolet light at a fixed place like ceiling or wall shall not work out. Alternatively, even a small clinic may need at least about 4 fixed lights in order to disinfect the whole area. Having high-power single light would also not serve the purpose because of shadow formations due to the furniture, dental chair and other equipment. Also, consider that when you mount a ultraviolet light on a wall or ceiling, you are not only increasing the distance of the light from the target area, but also utilizing only half of the power of the light, as the other half is directed towards a wall or ceiling. Looking to all these issues, this portable light can work out as it can be placed at different locations based on the need. This light has an accessory that you can use as an air disinfection system while treating the patient. It is equipped with a standard Philips ultraviolet tube and a very convenient timer for making its use safe and comfortable. The timer has an on delay to let the person move out of the radiation area after putting the light on. It has 4 different modes of operations like inter-patient mode, quick clean mode, deep clean mode and always on mode. Inter-patient mode can be used in between 2 patients, whereas quick clean mode can be used in between the sessions. Deep clean can be used overnight and always on mode for any other customized requirements. A unique feature with this light is, it shall automatically resume a partial disinfection, if there was a power cut, and at the same time won't restart, if the disinfection was complete before the power cut. Because of this, you can safely leave it on overnight, or at unattended times. Completely made in India, we suppose this will suffice all the requirements of an OPD clinic and a dental operatory. We shall be coming out with an excellent solution for aerosol spread prevention very shortly. Please share the video with people you think who can be benefited and subscribe to our channel for the aerosol solution. You can buy this light by connecting to us either through email or WhatsApp with the details on the screen. Thanks for watching.